Still Monday the 26th of January. Up here at my little building now. Fill up the bird feeders while I'm here. Nothing I can do about the bird bath. It's a solid chunk of ice. I walked through the door. Temp inside my building was 46. And the only heater that's been on since Friday is this little electric heater. And before I left Friday, I used my torpedo heater and raised temperature up to a little over 80. And this building retains heat real well when I do that because of the insulation. And I'm going to do the same thing today. Right now it's 18 degrees outside. It's 11:30. Got the windshield on the Ram cleared enough where I could drive it up here since it's four-wheel drive. The streets are solid ice. It's just a mess. No traffic. I passed one 18-wheeler hauling power poles and a pickup and a little subcompact car, and that was it. I didn't see any other traffic on the road. And, tomorrow I got a doctor's appointment at 10:30 in the morning. That's why I got the Ram out. So I got four-wheel drive. They might be open, they might not. I'll know when I get there. I was swapping trucks around in the driveway. I moved my Ford out of the way so I could get my Ram out of the driveway. I walked onto a patch of clear ice and my feet went one way and my chest and head went the other way, and I busted my ass. I'm going to feel that this evening. It did not help my back any. Didn't break any bones, but I busted my ass hard. And, it was clear ice on the driveway. It wasn't the white stuff. Of course, the wife freaked out. She saw me go down. But I don't have a concussion, so it's okay. Anyway, let me fill up the bird feeders, and I'll sit here and wait for the building to warm up. Probably chip off some more ice on my Ram truck windshield. And that's all for this one. Thank you.